Alan, this is a great opportunity to present the Q5 here. Why don't you give us a little history of what's led up to these speakers?
Well, we first built our all-aluminum speakers in 1996, so we go way back when it comes to designing this kind of product. Back at the time, we were building one or two offs for custom application, and it was a very expensive ordeal to build an enclosure like this with the facilities and amenities that we had back then. It was always our goal to eventually arrive at a proposition like that. It became available to us last year when we finally were in a position to purchase our own machine shop. And we have now a shop with the 5 CNC machines that will allow us to produce a product like this at the cost effectiveness that we're able to do that. It's not an affordable product by no means. However, if we had to build this under the normal way things are done in this industry, which is usually to farm out these kind of production, it would have been a lot more expensive and probably impossible to build. So this is long in the making, and we are finally showing it, and this is the second time in Europe. We've shown it now in Munich, and also in September here. This is the 4th country that I'm running around showing the Qs. And we're very proud. It's a very unique product. It consists of 101 different plates that are put together. It's a combination of aluminum, brass, and copper, all put together to create a very massive, very stiff yet very well damped enclosure that produces what we would call a proposition of a very big loudspeaker in a very confined and manageable package. The only problem is the weight. Each one of these speakers were close to 400 pounds, which is about 180 some kilo. More numbers, 426 bolts, all are put together by hand with Loctite, so no bolts ever come loose. And the performance of these speakers are very unique, and we also imply everything that we learned until now, including our own custom drivers, our new custom tweeters. These are all built by us, and we're very proud to achieve this type of performance for this kind of price.
Well, you have a whole range of speakers that go from like 20,000 to 400,000. Maybe you can give our viewers out there a little bit inside of the range.
The typical product that we have built in the past 10 years comply from aluminum and wood, based wood. We're using birch ply, as we started to do with the Mini. It was a very successful apparatus. We developed a very unique way to work with a combination of metal and wood. And we produced the M and the V lines, which were extremely popular and allowed us to be in a position we can actually build this product. Of course, we have the Ultimate, which is a whole nother ball game. It was a product that was commissioned for certain individuals, and that allowed me to actually build a horn system the way I feel horns should be built. Unfortunately, it's a very expensive proposition, but it's a very special and unique product. So we have that in the line as well.